Back to my channel. Now today okay, so I'm gonna talk about something. Honestly, like in 2016 I was like I'm like I used to have Snapchat, and in 2016 I was such a fag. I don't even know why. So, well, I mean, I guess I could release more texting videos, and then it would have been quite like it wouldn't be it wouldn't be normal. I would seriously have so many texting videos. Like I wouldn't know where to begin with in my life. But then again, I can start putting up some more on crack videos, and then you guys would probably like me. So yeah. I honestly, again, I try very hard in my videos. I try so hard to the point where like I okay, so I did like 3 videos and then I quit them just right now because I was trying not to put bloopers. So yeah. I'm gonna have to end this episode here because it's already on like it's only been like 2 minutes, so yeah. Bye.